Another bloody racket. This is out the back. Another overgrown L of the garden. Probably shouldn't bring my walking pole with me. But again, another view that you would never see again. Windows all done. It's just so hard to control this phone with the palm of your hand over the microphone. Really doesn't help. And there's the vista. It often looks better in the evening though. When we have a nice sunset. I won't show too much downstairs in the gardens, just keep it high. I'm not doing too bad balance wise. Alright.
How's it going?
Which is the metal pipe?
Well, that is not a metal.
No, that's a stench pipe.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the stench pipe. So the outflow's down there, is it?
The outflow, you can see it's here.
Yeah, right, okay. Yeah, I just need to figure out which is which. Mentally, so I know. Yeah, right. Oh, the one, oh yeah, that thick one there.
Yeah.
Yeah, fair enough, I know now.
Yeah, this one have to be cut over there, close to the joint.
Yeah.
And come through into the bathroom.
So it means a new pipe, basically.
Yeah.
Yeah, plastic pipe. Fair enough. Yeah, because the sink and the toilet have been switched, basically.
Yeah, they've been switched.
Yeah, it needs doing, because this bathroom's never really properly been done. It needs doing proper now.
Well,
so
when that been done?
yeah. Huh?
About 50.
Huh?
How long ago? 100 years ago?
Well, I think the block is 1950s, but my father, he has done work on it, you can tell, but about the 90s, 2000s, but well, never actually done a proper...
been done since the property been built 1950s. Because,
no. Well, the original bath was there.
Yeah.
All the original infrastructure was still there. Yeah. But I said to my half-brother, I don't care, you know, I want it done properly. So it's good to finally know that it's been sorted out. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, just doing a bit of video. You're not on it, I'm too low for that. Just your voice. But I'm just saying, this is a view that you'd never see, you know. And this is quite... It's quite...
Never get there.
No, it's very nice, especially in the evening with the sunsets as well. But I'm trying not to have the camera too low anyway. Thanks for that. Some modifications have to be made for outflow for water, because the toilet and the sink have been swapped around, the plan in the bathroom. So we've got to decommission a cast iron 1950s pipe and put a new plastic one in, basically. But that's the lowdown anyway. But yeah, it's just so precarious holding it. I'll end it here before that starts up. Oh, it's a metal grinder. Ta-ta for now.